Okay, so you guys are going to do the same thing that you did yesterday, but with a different skill. So this is your assignment, and today you are going to watch this clip of Michael Jordan. He is in a dunk contest, and he dunks from the free throw line. Now, if you don't know what basketball is, you don't have to know about anything I just said. So, anyways, you're going to watch this clip about right here. It goes in slow motion. So you can take the time to watch exactly what he does in slow motion to kind of get an idea of what skills he's using. So I'll go ahead and read it for you real quick. Today I want you to be able to watch a video and identify the skills they use in this particular activity or sport. I only want 2 skills, the same as yesterday. Like I said, there's multiple ones used, so just think about what it takes to be able to go from the free throw line, dunking in the air, to the basketball goal. It's a short clip of Michael Jordan dunking from the free throw line. What are the 2 most important skills he needs to be able to do this? Now, again, it could be a number of different things, but what do you think are probably the top 2 skills he needed to go from the free throw line all the way to the goal? So that means he is jumping from the floor, launching himself in the air. I'm trying to give you guys some hints. And then he has to dunk the ball into the goal. So just like yesterday, choose 2 words from the bank above. If you want to highlight the 2 and then put your reasoning down here, as long as I can tell which reason goes with which word, I don't really mind how you guys do it. Just make sure you're telling me why you're choosing those 2 words. The clip is really short. It's only 52 seconds. And like I said, towards the end, around 38 seconds into the video, he goes in slow motion, so you can kind of see what all skills he needs. So just think about basketball and what it is and how that ties into some of these skills. Like I said, he has to jump off the ground and launch himself into the air and be able to put a basketball in a tiny hoop. So just trying to give you guys some hints. So go ahead and watch that, and then turn in your Google Doc with your answers, and make sure you submit and take your attendance. And if you have questions, go ahead and email me too.